Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to start a clothing brand. We'll break down the essential financial considerations, helping you understand where your money will go. From initial design concepts to getting your products into customers' hands, we'll cover all the key expenses. This guide will help you plan your budget wisely and set realistic expectations for your entrepreneurial journey. First, let's talk about design and branding. A professional logo and brand identity can cost anywhere from $500 to $2,000. Building a functional e-commerce website usually requires an investment of $1,000 to $5,000. Don't forget initial samples. These might run you $200 to $800 per style to bring your vision to life before mass production. Next up are production and inventory. Manufacturing costs can range from $10 to $50 per item, depending on the garment's complexity and materials. Many manufacturers have minimum order quantities, often requiring an initial investment of $1,000 to $5,000. Additionally, consider inventory storage and management, which could add $100 to $500 monthly to your overhead. Finally, let's cover marketing and operations. Allocating $500 to $2,000 monthly for marketing and advertising is a good starting point to reach your audience. Don't forget business registration and legal fees, typically costing between $100 and $500. Lastly, packaging and shipping supplies might require an initial outlay of $200 to $700 to ensure your products arrive beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.